All right, trade recap. 2 break evens. And last night I was a bit annoyed about him. Now I'm not. But I'm still am a little, but I'm getting better at not being too annoyed at anything, you know? Very unemotional. This first break even is completely fine. This second one is not completely fine. This is not completely fine. So coming into session, I was actually bullish, which is why I took that first long. Overall, we're definitely still bullish. Then we fill out this hourly high here. And us not sweeping out this top liquidity tells me that for these next couple days, we could be bearish. Because we might be switching back under this low and coming lower. But anyways, and then we get this little high here, which had already been taken on NASDAQ, and we'd had a little reaction. But we get that on ES, and it matches up with the hourly here on NASDAQ. So they're both points that can be reacted off of. So I was good with that. What we do is we get the reaction, then it's a bit of chop, chop, chop. So a bit of chop, chop, chop. Eventually we fill out all this imbalance, fill out all this. This is technically our first entry here. Because boom, well, it is. It's not technically. It just is our first entry. So boom. And then we get boom. And so I get in. Tight stop. Initially, I had big stops, but then I had tight stops. It edged my 1-to-1 straight away. And ES was coming bearish at the same time. So this is why I've went break even at this point. Oh my god, you're gonna be shitting me. Whatever. It was turning a little bit bearish and it was looking scary. So I break even, got tagged break even, which is really annoying because it barely tagged break even. And it edged my 1-to-1. I'm not too mad about this. Then what I've done is I've waited for this. Now well, this was a hard one because there's not really imbalance here. And technically this imbalance has actually been filled because it does get filled on a 1 minute. Like, see, taps there. Then this is all wicking, just all wicking shit. Then bearish tap here, which is what I'm in, right? 22. 22. No, this one is. So, if that was, I should have probably been in here, right? So, if this is the first entry, but actually, no, because then we have imbalance below. So, once we actually fill this imbalance, then I can get in. So, I think at 19, is there an entry? No, there's not. Like, did I miss like an entry or something there? Yeah, no. So what I seen as is first entry here, second entry here. Then so it was a big gap. So I got in, tight stops. Oh my god, you'll see it on my Instagram reels. I went break even after this candle. Like an idiot. And it tagged me and then just ran. Oh my god. So stupid. So unbelievably stupid. Oh my god. Just emotional. So now I'm just attached. Like I'm just attached. Like this doesn't matter. I'll buy more funders if I blow. I don't care. Like, well, that's what I was saying before. But now I've seen how much I'm missing out on. I'm done with this. Just like going back even for no reason. And because I actually know when I lose quickly and straight away. And most of like I think 90% of the break evens I go when I get tagged break even, they would have run the full TP. So there's that.